If you're a tech founder looking for business insurance, you may be feeling a bit overwhelmed. So many insurance coverages, so many brokers and providers, and so many options. What's the right choice? In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of the insurance coverages you need to consider and how you can go about purchasing them. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners, including tech founders. So, what types of insurance do you need for a tech startup? There are 9 coverage elements I'll tackle in just a minute, but to start off, I think it's really important to understand that every tech business is different, and that means your business insurance needs to be customized and tailored to fit your particular risk issues. Buying a policy off the shelf is probably not a good idea. Another issue to talk about up front is who do you buy your insurance from matters as much as what you do buy. There's a lot of direct providers and insurtechs online who sell direct to buyers, meaning they're not brokers who can offer a wide variety of choices. Instead, they sell one policy, their policy, and this can be pretty limiting. My point is that you need to think about this carefully. Okay, so what does a tech startup need? I'm going to give you a list of policies and what they do very briefly, but you can see a broader description of them here in this article. The first one I want to talk about is Tech E&O, or errors and omissions coverage. This protects you from claims that can arise from glitches and errors and other problems with the tech you're working on. Next is cyber insurance, and often this policy is combined with Tech E&O, but it's also sold as a standalone policy to protect you from the huge threats from hackers and ransomware attacks and other attack vectors. Then, if your company has investors, especially venture partners, you'll need D&O, or directors and officers liability insurance, to protect all the decision makers in your company from claims that can attack their personal assets. You'll also need D&O if you're going to attract expert advisors to your board. Then we've got a group of what I call traditional insurance policies. General liability and property insurance, typically purchased as a business owner's or BOP policy, workers' compensation insurance, crime insurance, employment practice liability insurance, and fiduciary insurance. Some of these policies, like workers' comp and employment practice liability, may not be needed if you're going to a PEO, which often provides these coverages as part of their program. And if you want to talk about PEOs, I'm happy to connect you with one of our vetted partners in this area. Finally, one policy that we don't sell but I think is important to talk about is key person life and disability insurance. If one of your key individuals died or became disabled, what would happen to your startup? Would it prematurely extinguish your dreams of delivering a product or service to the market? If this is important, I'm happy to refer you to another of our vetted professionals that focus in this area of the insurance world. Now, the big deal here is that I just listed like 10 different insurance policies. How do you make the best decisions around what to purchase, when to purchase it, and who to purchase it from? That's where a skilled broker like the Coyle Group comes into play. When it comes to tech startups, it's all about customization. It's not about buying a policy that's graded good, better, or best off the shelf. That's only going to lead to problems. The other thing I want to mention here is that when you use a skilled broker like the Coyle Group, you're getting an entrepreneurial experience that's rooted in deep domain expertise, broad access to the insurance marketplace, and a long tenured account management team. We think this is the preferred way you want to do business over a big company call center approach. Customization, choices, guidance, and after-sales support all add up to helping you make the right decisions around business insurance for your startup. Want to learn more? My contact info is in the description box below, and we'd love to hear from you. Drop me an email or give me a call so we can chat and see if we'd be a good fit for you and your company. Thanks.